Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to another little review video. Today I have something pretty cool to show you and to talk about, and I'm really excited about it. It's yet another thing that I've purchased, and without further talking, let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so here it is. This is my brand new Philips 43-inch 4K TV. So new TV is something that I've been thinking about for the last couple of months, and I finally decided to purchase it. So I decided to go with Philips, and my country, which is Croatia, switched to DVB-T2 signal for quite some time now, and since then I wasn't able to watch my old LG TV anymore, and the only way to watch it is to buy a signal converter separately, and of course I didn't want it to do that, and I wanted a new, fresh looking and better, bigger TV, so I decided to pick Philips. And honestly, this TV is so sick. It's really cool and I love everything about it, especially because it's 4K, and this is for the first time ever that I have something in 4K, and for me to see this with my own eyes, my own house, is really amazing. And what really attracted me about Philips the most is that Ambilight technology that it has. So what that basically is just LED lights at the back of TV that are synced with picture on your TV. So it follows the colors on the TV and it shows them at the back on the LEDs, and they just reflect on the wall, and it just looks sick. It's so atmospheric. It's so nice looking to the eye. It's so stylish and unique, and Philips TVs are the only ones who have these LED lights, and I think Philips forbid any other company to make these LED lights, so nobody can get a license for that for some reason. But yeah, they really did a good job with that technology, and that's probably the main and the most interesting thing about this TV. What I think is especially sick about this TV is if you're a console gamer and you play video games on this TV, and having this Ambilight technology synced with your game would be just thing of a beauty, and playing games in 4K on console on this TV would be just sick. I watched some people playing on this TV, and it looks really unique and interesting in my opinion. Another pretty cool thing about this TV is that it has Amazon Alexa, and you can voice control TV, and you can even connect it to other devices that are using Amazon Alexa, so you can all sync it into one, and you can use your voice to interact with TV and talk to Alexa. I honestly didn't try that out, but it's another pretty cool and useful thing that you can do with this TV. What I was really surprised about is how easy this TV was to set up. Its settings are so simplified to the point where even children or older people who don't know much about technology can do it in easy few steps. So if you want to set up your contrast or brightness or format of the picture, you can easily do it in few easy steps. It doesn't take much time at all. Its settings are so simplified and well explained. It's really amazing. It's really accessible, and that's what I really love about it. I really love simple things, and when it comes to settings, this is what this TV is gonna offer you. Everything else is just like any other smart TV. It has Wi-Fi and all the apps, Netflix, everything, whatever you want, it's accessible through this TV. You can go on internet with it and all kinds of stuff. So it's pretty cool and unique. I really love it, and I can't wait to watch movies on this, especially if there is any movies in 4K that I can find to watch, and it's gonna be definitely a thing of a beauty. So I'm not gonna really go now through all the settings and everything, but there is a lot of settings that you can play around with. You can also like set these ambilights to follow the rhythm or the sound from TV, like if you're listening to music or something. So there is a lot of cool settings that you can play around with, but like I said, this is not really like an unboxing video. It's just a little review where I want to show you how TV looks like and what are my opinions about it so far. And honestly, it's the best goddamn TV that I could pick and I could put here, because I don't really have a lot of space here. So 43-inch is like max that I can put here. If I picked 50-inch, then it probably wouldn't fit to this position where I placed it on a wall. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to, it's totally fine. You can also join my Chris Facebook group. Link is down below in the description. I post all kind of stuff over there. So yeah guys, let me know down below in the comments what are your opinions and thoughts on my new TV. Do you maybe have the same one? How do you like it? What do you think about it? Are you maybe planning on buying the same one? So yeah, I think I said everything I wanted about it. I showed you my new TV a little bit. I told you what I like about it. I told you what's interesting about it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate everything you've done for me and my channel so far. I appreciate all of your support and everything. So I'll definitely see you in the next videos. Chris out.